Weather stayed dry all week, but we are looking at some wet weather moving forward starting this weekend. Unlike last week, though, where we saw some snowfall Friday night into Saturday morning, this time it's looking just a little on the drizzly side. Here is satellite and radar, and that does have some scattered showers off to our north and west as of this point. As we zoom in a little bit, not much going on out there, and that's the theme going into Saturday, is that we won't see a ton for precipitation, but don't be caught off guard by a little damp weather in the morning. So far, temperatures staying at or above freezing, and that is going to be key overnight as we are avoiding the icy conditions. So temperatures are going to warm or stay steady just enough to prevent any kind of widespread iciness throughout the course of the morning as that drizzle moves on through, which is some pretty good news. So here is future track. You can see right now looking pretty quiet. We get to about 2 in the morning. That's when we have that spotty drizzle or even a few snowflakes trying to mix in, but expecting a dusting of either. It's really not a ton coming for any kind of rainfall or snowfall. That all clears out by about 10 in the morning, and then the rest of the day looking dry and cloudy after that. So for tonight, 33 at the coldest, to breezy south winds gusting to 25 miles per hour, and again should stay just enough above freezing to avoid any kind of freezing drizzle in the morning hours, and a lot of it's coming through early. By the time we get to about 10 o'clock, things are drying out, and we should stay dry and somewhat cloudy throughout the remainder of the day. Temperature-wise, getting up to 38 for a high. We managed to hit 40 today, but we're starting to backslide just a little bit, and we'll stay in the upper 30s for the end of the weekend, expecting more sunshine by that point. This is just the first of a couple rounds of wet weather coming towards us. You can see some flurries possible on Monday. Then our best shot at accumulating snowfall comes in the middle of next week. So first up, here's future track on Monday. By 6 o'clock, most of that shower activity is already past us. So really not expecting much out of Monday's round of flurry activity. And then for the holiday outlook, that's a week from today, quickly going from mild to very cold. It's Wednesday that we could see that possibility of a rain-snow mix. And then Arctic air visiting us for the first time this season as we get closer towards Christmas itself. So here we are Wednesday, seeing a rain-snow mix in the morning, followed by possibly some snow in the afternoon. It all kind of depends on how quickly that shower activity changes over to snow. That'll determine if we see a white Christmas or not. Not looking all that good, but at least we've got some snow in the forecast for that. After all of that activity on Wednesday, look what happens. We go from the middle 40s to the teens. By the time we get to Thursday morning, so that's Christmas Eve morning, by the time we get to Christmas Day, waking up to single-digit temperatures and likely sub-zero wind chill values, and we stay chilly throughout Christmas Day itself. So the forecast goes, as you can see, from very mild to very cold towards the end of next week. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, that Arctic air doesn't linger around for very long. We're back into possibly the upper 30s by next weekend, James and Kristen.
Alex, thanks.